So guys, here it is. So this is the Omni light controller, and we have been talking about it in the lecture. So watch the lecture and there you guys would see the Omni light controller. But here I'm going to give you a quick demo on it, okay? So right here we got 115 that is in the US, you know, with 60 hertz. That is coming in, that is coming all the way here. This is the line. Then it is going to a transformer, okay? And we are step downing this guy to 24 volt, yeah? So it's come right here, goes all the way, and this power is right here, okay? It's right here. We got a green right here, and then so this guy is getting 24 volt, yeah. And these are the zones where we connect all the sensors. So your flood sensor, smoke detector, your heating and cooling system is connected right here. Your lighting system is connected right here, okay. Lighting system is connected there. So 16 different sensors you can connect right here with 16 zones. Now, of course, you know, if you're connecting multiple smoke detectors, then there will be more. But the lines, from the last smoke detector, the line is going to come right here, okay? Along with that, we got an entertainment system here that is also connected to this Omni light controller. We got our telecommunication system which is connected to the controller. Like I said, we got our heating and cooling system right here which is connected to this controller. Then we got our security surveillance system which is connected to the Omni light controller. Right here is I made a control. So this whole thing is designed by me and my engineering and IT students, okay? So we made a control system here, and the heating and cooling system is on the top right there. This guy could be controlled from a cellular phone. It could be controlled from any digital device which can access the router, which has access to the internet. And if you guys see, we right here what we have is we got this bunch of jumpers, and if we look closer to this, then it would be RS-232 and RS-485 protocol. So the devices which are using RS-232, you will just take this jumper and put it on the other side, okay? And the device which use the RS-485, then you can take the jumper and put it back. So that is an important point here. So the power come here, okay, 24 volt, and then we got different chips here, a CPU, because anything which make logical decisions, it has a CPU. So the CPU right here, and it has a RAM too, a random access memory. So they are going to utilize much lower voltage, and that would be DC. So internally, you know, the AC is converted into DC. So we got rectifiers here. All right. So the lighting system, as we talked in the lecture, we got Zigbee, we got Z-Wave, we got UPB. So, for example, the UPB, I got a controller here, and this controller is on one side. It is connected. If you guys see, it is connected right here to the top. Okay. So the communication, the UPB communicate with the controller via our wire here, and the light would be connected on the back side of this house. So what happens is when we send a signal from a digital pad or your cell phone, that comes first right here through this router switch. Then the switch is connected here, right here, and then the signal will go here, and based on what you tell him, what command you give to this controller, that is going to go where? That's going to come right here to this UPB controller, universal power, and then from here, that is going to send the signal through the electrical wires to the light, okay? And the light is on the back. So if you want to turn it on, the signal is going to come here from your cell phone, and the light is, which I will show you guys as we go. You guys will do a lab on it. So it will send one, and the light will be on, and if you want to turn it off, you will send a 0 signal. Now the interesting point is that we are communicating, we are sending data through our power line. That is pretty interesting. Sometimes you will have issue with noises, but you can use other devices to clean the power internally and send your data. Then of course we got a battery right here, so if the power goes out, then what we can do is this guy is going to provide the power to this controller. All right. Our heating and cooling system is right here, which you guys will see as we go on. That is here, and it is connected right here. Okay, all these wires are from our heating and cooling system, from our HVAC. Then our telephone system is right there. Okay, so to zone 16, this is zone 16 right here. That is our HVAC system, and right here will be our telephone system. The reason is we have a telephone system is if there is a fire, it's going to send a signal to fire department. If there is somebody is when you are not in the house and somebody want to break into the house, then it will send a signal to the police department, to 911. And maybe there is flooding. Okay, so there will be a flood sensor would be connected right here, and if the water go up certain level, that's going to send a signal also to the concerned department. Okay, so if you guys will learn also how to wire right here, how to wire different telephone wires. You guys will learn how to wire IP cameras, and then the regular analog cameras. Along with that, how to wire your audio video system. Along with that, you will learn how to wire different kind of sensors, and we will go through different kind of sensors too. The entertainment system is right here. You will learn how to arm and disarm and program different kind of zones here. Then if you come to the back, then you come to the bag right here. As we go, we will write programs on how to control these lights. Okay, and so this will be pretty much an automated system, and this could be controlled from anywhere in the world. All right, we have mixed different kind of technologies here, and we have bundled them together into one package. So by the end of the class, you should have a pretty good understanding of how you can integrate different technologies into one. So, all right, let me know if you guys need, if you guys have any